Hi, my name is Raymond Baxter, and I love money. But do you love money? Well, let me tell you a story about back then. I used to be a rock star. Now, about being a rock star, I didn't get no money. Hey, that was that. Well, the problem with that was that I didn't get no money. So, after that, I used to be a truck driver like Hank Jones. Well, I never got money with that either. And then after, I used to be a disc jockey. But the problem about that was, as you could guess, no money. Well, as you know, I love money. And you see this right here? It's money. 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 And I love money. Well, if you want to make your money, you have to do home loans. And you have to call the number on the screen. It's 760-241-4773. And if you want to get money, do it the Raymond way. Thank you.